Welcome. In front of me is a Nubia Red Magic 7, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and in here you should find a hotspot toggle, which for me looks like it's right over here. I think this is the default location of all the toggles, so hopefully you can find your toggle in the same exact location. Now, when doing this the first time around, you do want to hold the toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings where you will be able to customize some of the things. The most important thing that you want to change will be the password, just because it's randomly generated and without actually going in here, you have no way of knowing it. So select right here, set up Wi-Fi hotspot, and you have the password right here. Now you can use the randomly generated password, but as you can probably see, this is not something that is easy to remember or fun to type. So what I recommend doing is simply removing it. From there, make your new password. It does need to have 8 characters in length. And once it does, you can just click on OK to save it. Now you can also change a couple other things like the Wi-Fi name or hotspot name, which is right here. And for instance, the AP band. For some reason I don't know if this is the default settings, but if it is, it's set to 5 GHz, which means that not every device will support it. So if you have it set to 5 GHz and when you enable your hotspot, the other device just flat out doesn't see the hotspot, that's probably the reason for it. The devices that don't support 5 GHz Wi-Fi will just simply not see the actual hotspot at all. So all you need to do is drop it back to 2.4 and it should work just well. Now, once you have changed the settings, you can simply tap on the toggle from now on to activate it whenever you want to utilize it. And once you're done with it, you can tap on the toggle once more to actually turn it off by just... There we go. So, as you can see, that is how you can set up your hotspot and utilize it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.